Today, I'm going to be sharing with you this platform that you can start using to earn daily. Now, this is as simple as signing in into their platform every single day and then you get paid for it. So when you sign in consecutively without leaving a day out, you will get higher reward. So this is a Nigeria poverty alleviation program. Apart from everyday daily access, daily signing in, you can get access to their free grants, which is 1.5 million naira. So this is another opportunity that this platform provides. So apart from the fact that you have opportunity to that, you can also get access, you can also get 500 naira on each of your friend that you refer. So all you need to do, or all they need to do, is for them to register and you get 500 naira. So there is no stress on this particular platform. You don't need to deposit any amount of money. You don't need to put your WhatsApp link on any platform. All you need to do basically is to sign in daily and refer your friend if you want to get higher reward. And you can get a chance to be among the lucky person that is going to get access to their free grant of 1.5 million naira. So just make sure you take action quickly because this kind of platform do have expiring dates. So let's just head into the registration process. So before we get into the full tutorial, if you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you're watching this video right now, kindly take a minute and hit on the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So once you click in the link in the description box, it's going to redirect you to this interface. So you can see from the first line, it says enter your email preface. So I'm going to enter my email. So when you are entering your email, just make sure that, let me just show you an example. So let me put my email here. So you can see that I have to delete at gmail.com because it's already there. So all you need to do is to put the email before at gmail.com. So you're not to add that gmail.com again. So you have to enter your NIN, which is your national identity card. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so once you put your NIN, then you put your phone number here. Then you enter your password. Once you do that, so after that, it's going to bring you to this place. You click on the date you register, then you click on sign in immediately. You'll be credited 200 naira to your account. So this is what I'm earning every day just to sign it to this account. So when you sign it consecutively without leaving the day out, your reward will increase. You can even get to withdraw up above 2,000 naira as you continue to sign it daily. So, and also you can also earn 500 naira on each of your friend that referred to. So if you want to make money, share this your referral link to your friends and family to make more money. Okay, so let's continue. So after you are credited, it's going to bring you to this place. Then you click on mine. Then you click on add bank. So to add your payment method, click on add bank. Then you are going to select the bank. Then you can enter your full name, then your bank account number. Then you click on submit. So that is just how to add your payment method. So once you have clicked on submit, then you can also withdraw by clicking on the withdraw button here. So that is just that on how to sign up and withdraw your payment. So once you do that, then you come back to this place, click on agent. So where you see agents, you click on agent, then you are going to see where to copy your referral link. So you copy your referral link and share with your friends and family. So that is that about this. So if you find this video helpful, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Make sure you're on your notification bell so that anytime I release video tutorial, you'll be notified. Bye.